What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Margarita, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take you through the planning process, or our game plan, of how we're going to get our store from $10,000 to $15,000 a day that we're at right now to $1 million a month, which is $33,000 a day. So today Leo's going to come over. We're going to do a lot of planning. We're going to just create a game plan of what we're going to be doing the next couple weeks to get us back to $1 million a month. So if you're interested in seeing how we plan this out, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So breaking down our game plan again. Okay. Game plan number 1, volume. We're going to increase Malika's hours to 25 hours of work and request 30 creatives per week. How many do we have from her right now?
10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay.
A little less than 3. But yeah.
You're going to be sending Malika concepts daily for her to be able to do this, and we're going to utilize the Slack channel creative concepts.
Right.
We're going to remove friction from Asana by removing Leo from approving, so it's going to go straight from Malika posting the video to Jerome posting it to, what's his name?
To
Kuldeep posting it.
Correct. Launching it. And it needs to be like clockwork. Like every single day, 8 a.m. there better be new creators on TikTok ads, Facebook ads, everything.
So that means that we're expecting, like, if we tell Malika that we need 30 creatives per week, that doesn't mean that Thursday and Friday she's posting 30. I would want creatives posted daily.
Correct.
You know, because, like, for example, we gave her concepts Monday that are not done yet, and it's Thursday.
Correct.
So, like, these past couple of days, there needs to be, like, more
100%.
action.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, that was volume. The game plan number 2 is improving hooks. We're going to be focusing on facial expressions. We're going to double down on our UGC clips that we talked with John about expanding the best clips.
Correct.
We're going to meet up with Stacy to get more proof clips and mirror clips. We're going to see which ones of our creators, such as Deja, will give us more selfie and mirror clips. And we're going to round up best content from March and from our saves on the TikTok account to see which clips we're going to be getting.
Yes.
Because I don't think that we've been doing that lately.
No, we have not. And I remember, like, the thing is, like, you said Deja. I just want to, like, intercept. You said Deja. The only reason we can't just use hooks from Deja is that we need the entire formula from Deja. Yeah,
but we're going to be sending her different concepts. And we can send her a concept, like, this is hook concept. This is proof concept. This is WCF concept.
Okay.
Winning creative formula concept.
Because, like, yeah, it's like, hooks would be great.
Even to start out with Deja, we can send her our best performing winning creative formula videos and have her reproduce them.
Yeah.
And that can be a concept.
Correct.
And then game plan number 3 is launching. That we got our homie Deep, and he's going to be launching daily, and we're going to be providing him with captions that he needs to post. And this is, like, his job is dependent on Malika posting every day. So if she doesn't post today, he has nothing to launch tonight. So, like, that's where we're going to have to add some grease to the operation. We need it flowing. Okay, what is your plan to get Kuldeep launching by tomorrow?
He's done. He's launched. He's launching tomorrow. I'm fucking getting on a call with him, and we're doing the entire training, and we're going to launch tomorrow. I'm going to launch some ads tomorrow, so I might as well just launch it with him.
Okay, so you already have a time scheduled to meet up with him?
No.
Let's do that now. Yeah, we just need to improve content request and content selection, and for that we need to work with John. So I think that's it. We got a 3-step game plan
to make $1 million a month at, like, the same good margins. It should be, like, you know, that 15-16% like profit margins.
And then the main thing is that we cannot risk profit for revenue.
Correct.
So as soon as we see our net margins going down, we need to redo this again and see what's going on.
Correct.
Right?
Correct. The biggest thing is, like, cutting, because, like, it just wasn't being cut, and, like, we weren't making good creatives in like the other months.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you too. Like, one of our biggest expenses in QuickBooks was ads.
Yeah, but, like, that's why, like, cutting any ads under 2.1 daily.
Yeah.
Like, it needs to be, like, so cut so quickly, And also, there's no fucking need to make $1 million tomorrow. So like, we were just launching campaigns at $100 a day, or like creators at $100 a day. When we should just launch them a little less, so we don't spend that much.
Overspending.
Yeah.
We could start at a 50, 45.
Yeah, exactly. It's like there's like systems, right? And we got like the ad system. Well, I'm gonna actually say channels. So it's like we got the ad system that involves Facebook, TikTok, and let's just say Google. Because it's the same thing. We can use one TikTok to like everything.
Yeah.
So we got the ad system, which involves the creative plus launching times 100x volume. Right? And like, let's say we got that system, right?
Yep.
Imagine that we came in and we had, okay, cool. Now the IG system. The IG influencer system. It's like, okay, now we got the before, the method, which is like the creative, before / after. Then we got the outreach, and then the launching.
Yep.
And then we do it times 100x volume. And it's like these things, like, okay, cool. Now what's next? Affiliates.
Yeah.
We figure out, we operate the operations, the efficiencies, like how to get 1 done, how to get 10 done, 10x that.
Yeah.
Okay.
The only thing we're missing here in the channels is your good creatives. This has its own thing of its own.
Yes.
Because then that has getting content, editing content, everything.
Yeah. Hook, content, editing, all that shit. But if you look at it, they're just like systems, and like we're doing like 10%. And
Yeah.
here we're doing like 1%.
I mean, we started this like 2 weeks ago.
I know, but imagine.
Yeah.
Like we're like, okay, cool. Like I'm not saying like let's slow this down.
Yeah.
But it's like we haven't figured this out. We're not doing this at 100
So
scale.
let's break down content like you just said. We have receiving content. How do you spell receiving? We have editing content. Okay, and then there's one more that you just didn't say.
Which are? Which is receiving, editing.
And our content research.
Oh, research.
Because without our content research,
It's not
then
gonna-
how do we give them direction?
Correct. That should have been the first one.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start with research. We got this by scrolling.
100% is going to be scrolling. Like that's like going to be the best one.
PP ads.
PP ads. Just competitor research in general.
And competitors, yeah. Okay, so now that we have it, what do we do with it? We present it on Mondays.
Yeah, we present it and every single day.
We don't present it every single day.
Or yeah, no, we
should be presenting it every
We
single
should. That's what I'm saying. We need to send those. Like for example, if we're scrolling in like boom, okay, send it. Okay, cool. Their PPF, send it. Like send it, and it needs to be done that day.
And like, are we gonna be sending it in Slack? Are we gonna be putting it in Asana? Like, how are we sending these things that we find?
In creative concepts.
But then how do we make sure that they get done? Because they get sent all the time, but they're sent as suggestions to our editing team.
Yeah, they're not done. Yeah. So
you know what I'm saying? So like,
we set the standard. It's like, hey, these need to get done. These are not suggestions. You know what I'm saying? We need to grow, and it's just the truth. Honestly, we gotta stop being cool and just tell them like, hey, this is what we know, and you have to do this.
Okay, so we have done our scrolling, PP ads, competitor research, and we send this over to Creative Concepts. For Malika to edit, but you know for who else?
Who?
For John.
For John.
Because then John is gonna be the one that's gonna make sure that we're receiving
good content.
this content.
Correct.
But for our product.
Correct.
So Malika edits. John does content requests.
We don't always need content requests for the creative concepts. That is like sometimes like when we don't have like a video or like a clip. But most of the videos, I mean, there's so many fucking videos that we can kind of make the creative concepts. Yes, there is.
I think we at least need to be refreshing our hooks.
Yeah, refreshing our hooks.
Like for example, today when you showed me the content that you've saved these past 2 days, what was the main thing? The hook.
Yeah.
You were saying that the people recording themselves in the mirror. We don't have that.
No.
That's why from the research we saw we don't have these mirror clips. We need John to request them. Right?
Yeah, no, you're right.
Okay, so now this is where we talked with John yesterday, and that's kind of where it started clicking with him, that his main thing is content requests. So I'm actually going to move over here, receiving content requests. These content requests are going to come from this that we did over here, if needed. But the main place where content requests are going to be getting from is going to be from expansions.
Yes.
So we see that a Malika edit did really well.
Correct.
And it had Lindsay as a creator. Now we need to receive it from our bucket of UGC influencers. And that's what we're working on right now.
Correct.
We need to create a bucket of 5. Okay, let's start with 3.
2.
2.
You want to go fucking 100 when we were literally going 0?
Creators.
We got 1.
We need different people so that all of our audience can relate to them. Ideally, honestly, I want 3 to 4 UGC creators. Okay, so boom. Malika creates a video that is a superstar. It does really good. It has amazing ROAS. Now John immediately, like, the friction right now, I just realized it. The friction right now is that John
doesn't know which ones are great creatives.
But he does, because we share them in our content meetings on Mondays.
Correct.
But he doesn't understand that whenever we say expand, that means him too.
Yeah.
So far it's been like Malika is gonna expand by editing it a different way, changing up the hook, changing up the song, changing up the creator. And then John is gonna expand by getting our UGC creators to remake the concept.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah. 100%. This is what we talk about on the iPad. Remember, like scale, creative expansions.
Exactly what we talked about yesterday with John. But we need to make it flow.
We need to make it flow. We got to start it. We just started it yesterday. We just started it yesterday. And the biggest thing here is that, yeah, like you said, everyone was like, oh, it's just Malika.
It's just Malika.
It's not Malika. It's not.
It's Malika mostly.
Yeah.
But at one point, we need other creators to make it.
That's it.
The exact same video, exact. So if we have a winning concept, winning video, the UGC creator that we send it to is going to do the exact same clips. So if our hook for the best performing video is someone going like, these creators need to do the exact same.
And I think honestly, this entire thing
is exactly
like needs to be like one more like that. So it needs to be like, well, it doesn't matter where it starts, but I think it should start here then. Oh shit, I wasn't even looking at the camera. I was like, I don't like where, like it should be probably like
content concepts. 1.
Yeah.
Creatives. 2. Ads from the other side. 3. The ads give us the result of this pretty much. You feel me?
Yeah.
The results of this then go to
improving. Yes. Yep. So really receiving is an improvement.
Receiving is an improvement.
Receiving
Because
is an
it's like
improvement. It's an expansion. Yeah. Yep. Receiving is an improvement. That it's a sequence. It shouldn't even be like this then. It should just be steps. Like put content, concepts, creatives, ads, improvements, and like it should go.
But then it runs again.
Yeah, but still, it should be a sequence. Like these should have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
1, 2, 3, 4. And like the result of each one of the steps takes it to the next one.
And it just keeps getting better and better and better and better. For example, if we have a content here that we were testing, we got the creatives, we got the ads, it's like I did okay, cool, let's improve it. And now that the content is now getting better, the creative got better and the ads got better. Now improving again. All right, you know what I'm saying? Like it just keeps getting better and better and better.
Improvements. Improvements start with you. What I thought was here is actually here, and it's you analyzing what is going on over there.
That's still me. That's always going to be me as of right now.
Yeah.
Because we just need to get this going.
Okay. Improvements include WCO.
This is the new thing that we're going to add to it. This is going to be it.
Melita.
Yeah. The WCO, and then watch this. So, editor expansions, and then
UGC expansions.
who's in here?
Everyone is in this one.
Yeah, everyone's in that one.
That's the most important one. And then sometimes there's UGC here too. If we do research and we need a clip. You don't put it in here. Should I add it?
This is what we have. This is exactly what works. This is it. Watch, for sure. Again, Mary, Christian, Leo, Mary. That's exactly what it was. It wasn't like conceptualized. We didn't like understand it. We didn't like see it. We didn't like it was like, what is this? And there was more in launching ads too, by the way. Well, there's after creators, there's always launching ads. So it doesn't. This launching ads is like a constant thing. But there's more. Like for example, like if the creator's doing good, we need to scale on it. You know, like if the creator's doing blah blah blah, you know, there's a lot in there. But that's figure outable. It's already done. It's already known.
The easiest part, low key.
Low key, that is. Like I'll do lookalikes, do big caps, do all that shit. The hardest part is getting more of those great concepts. Expanding on the creatives themselves.
The YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this brought any type of value to you. You just saw us brainstorm how we're gonna get from $10,000 to $15,000 a day to $30,000 a day. Hopefully before the end of February.
Yeah, doubling the inputs, focusing on volume, a bunch of things. We've done it, what, how many times? A gazillion times?
Yeah.
I think we could do it again.
Yeah, we can do